Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys enjoyed that new intro video that I made, kind of like working out some kinks. So today's video, if you haven't did a title, unless I change this or something else, I am going to be trying I'm gonna be doing mini twists. As you guys know, like that's my like go-to protective style is mini twists, but I decided to try a new method of doing mini twists or whatever. I'm doing the natural. I watched Natural Rain's video or whatever, how she does her mini twist, and I thought, hey, that really makes me want mini twists, and I'm gonna do it. And I just try something a little different. So the way my hair is already blown out. Like if you haven't watched that video, you should watch it. I'll try to link everything down in the description box. So I did go ahead and blow dry my hair. As you guys know, the way that I normally blow dry my hair is to, wash, decondition, do a protein treatment if necessary, and just use a serum to do it. Nothing else. I don't put any other product on my hair, but I'm just following her example, which she did do a leave-in, and then she blew out her hair. So I did use a leave-in and some oil, just to help, since I'm not using the serum, just to help with the heat. So the leave-in I used was the Cream of Nature Pure Honey Not Away Leave-In Detangler. I used this. This is pretty thick. I've already used the Breakup Breakage, but this one is, I wanted to try this one out. My hair does feel fairly moisturized. I blew it out, but not too straight. So my roots are still like got a little texture to it, and whatnot. Just because I noticed with the leave-in, like my hair got a lot hotter than what I normally did, and you see, it's not as stretched as it normally would be. So, basically, all I'm going to be doing is doing mini twists. She didn't add any more product. That's not what I'm doing. I'm not going to add any more product to my hair. The only thing she added product to was the ends once she got done twisting it. And I'm going to do the same, except while I'm in the midst of twisting, I'm just going to add a little product to probably like the last half an inch or so. And what I'm going to be using, just because I want a little pop of color, I'm going to go ahead and try this out. I'm going to go ahead and try this out for my ends, just to have some pop of color in my twists. So I'm going to go ahead and stop talking and get to this video. Hey guys, so this is what my hair is looking like. As you can tell by my shirt, this is a different day. So I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys know. These took me a couple hours to do, but I did do them a lot smaller than Natural Rain did. But my hair has shrunk up a bit, but as you can see, I still have quite a bit of length, and these are how my ends are looking right now. So they're just like all over the place, but that's okay. But I still have this one section of hair to do. I just braided it down to keep it stretched out. It has been a couple days, I'm not gonna lie, just because I had to go ahead and go to sleep because I had to work and I have a new job and I have to be up super early, and usually by the time I get home I'll have to like really go right back to sleep to start over. So this is like one of my earlier days, so I was like, I'll go ahead and finish the last part of my hair and record it. And also I do have a couple ideas of hairstyles, little cute little things to do with these twists. So let me know down in the comment section if you're interested, and let's get started on my hair. Okay guys, welcome back. So it is literally a couple days later. Like, these took forever for me to do, but I really like them. I still have, let me turn the other way. I still have a lot of length. Like, it's not all length because it did shrink up. If you watch like the first day I did it, like this is where it's reaching at right now in the back, but it can go like a lot further. But I didn't, the only product that I put on my ends was this like hair paint, and I got this from my local beauty supply store instead of like ordering from like hair paint wax or whatever. But to me, this doesn't feel waxy, like it's more creamy to me, but the way it dries, like it's kind of like that. But once it's been a couple days, like this, I just redid this, so it's kind of like straight and weird looking because this does have some kind of hold a little bit. But as you can see from these, my hair just goes back pretty much. And the color kind of, how this is like really bright, if you can see it, I don't know. How that's kind of bright. This kind of blends in a little bit more. So I do want the color to pop a little bit. So this is going to be the last thing I do to my hair just to give it a little pop of color. So I'm just going to take about this much and rub it in between my fingers and just rub it on the hair just to give the color a little extra poppage to make it stand out a little bit. Yeah, I think it's hard to see on camera. I don't know if you guys can see that. Maybe, oh, I got the selfie light, so maybe that'll help. So, yeah, you can kind of see that purple a lot better. So I'm just going to do that on the ends, just to make the color pop a little bit, at least for the next couple days, without taking the twist out. Like, I haven't really noticed any bad effects from the hair color. Like, actually, like, it doesn't rub off. Only like when you're messing with your hair, like when you're like if I have to redo a twist or something, that's the only time it really just rubs off. So I'm like, oh yeah, so if this actually becomes a twist out or something, like it's gonna be really, really nice with the color, because the color kind of, like I said, it starts to blend in with my hair colors to make it a more natural-ish ombre kind of deal. So just really adding the color, just make it a little bit more vibrant. But yeah, I really think this is a great way to change my hair color without dyeing my hair. I'm so glad that I tried it, because you guys know that I love to dye my hair, but I recently just dyed it back to black because I wanted my hair to be healthier again. And you know, it's just a lot of work just buying dye and keeping up the color. Like, I applaud anyone who keeps color in their hair, keeps it up, switches the color all the time. I did that in college, and it was a lot of work. It's a lot of money, like especially if you have like temporary hair color, so you gotta touch it up every couple weeks, unless you go into like a professional or whatnot. Okay, all right, so I'm done upon the color. This is my hands. So as you guys know, I'm done talking. As you guys know, or whatever, I did try to follow Natural Rain's mini twist tutorial video. Let me look at the color. So this is the color. The fact that I have to do this to show you guys the color. And it kind of, so that failed. So I tried to follow her video to the T, but I did make some changes. As you guys know, I didn't put any kind of styling cream on my ends. I just put the hair wax cream color hair coloring material on my ends. And that's it. And I also put flat twists in the front, and then on the side I did a flat twist going forward or whatever. So the reason why I did flat twists instead of mini twists in the front is because you guys know I've always kind of experienced a little bit of breakage in the front, like around my edges and stuff. So I just wanted to just leave them alone, let them just chillax without any kind of tension or whatever. But I do like the hairstyle. It does give me, it is very reminiscent of what I normally do anyway, except that I use product while twisting. Like I put like a little leave-in or twisting cream on the actual twist before I twist up my hair. But I like it. Like I really like it. I'm gonna keep this in for a while. I'm going to come up with different styles to keep making videos with these mini twists in. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about it, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.